Discover estate-style, single-family homes in the heart of Hagerstown, designed with the room you've been searching for inside and out. Hi, I'm Maria, and I can't wait to show you why Paradise Heights is one of Hagerstown's most exciting new communities. With home sites ranging from a quarter acre all the way up to 1 acre, Paradise Heights gives you the freedom to live larger, entertain more, and enjoy your own private retreat. Perfectly positioned just off Route 11 and minutes from I-81, you'll enjoy seamless access to major commuter routes, making weekend getaways and traveling to Frederick, Montgomery County, or beyond easier than ever. Plus, you'll be less than 3 miles from highly rated North Hagerstown High School, adding even more value to this already desirable location. You'll love being surrounded by everyday conveniences just minutes from home. Explore Longmeadow Shopping Center featuring Weiss Markets, the Pennsylvania Dutch Market, Fajita Grande, and more. Head over to Garland Grove Boulevard for even more favorites like Home Depot, Chipotle, Panera, Walmart, HomeGoods, and my personal favorite, Nothing Bundt Cakes. And when it's time for a little retail therapy, Valley Mall and the endless shopping, dining, and big box options along Halfway Boulevard are just a short drive away. Now let's kick it over to Wei Ling to show you a few of her favorite Hagerstown spots.
The Maryland Theater is the perfect date night destination. Enjoy live concerts, dance performances, and more. When you need your caffeine fix, you'll have plenty of options, including my favorite spot, Cannon Coffee. This locally owned coffee shop serves gluten-free bites and fresh coffee less than 1 mile from the community. Rad Pies Pizza and Kushwa Brewing is the place to be on Saturday nights.
With an incredible location comes even more impressive homes. Paradise Heights features estate-style, single-family homes designed for the way you live today, blending modern style with the space and flexibility you've been craving. With expansive home sites and thoughtfully designed layouts, plus the availability of up to 3-car garages, these homes offer the space, storage, and everyday functionality that today's buyers expect. From open concept living to elevated finishes, every detail is designed to feel both functional and refined. Experience the comfort and flexibility of a home designed for your lifestyle. With up to 6 spacious bedrooms and the option for a first floor bedroom, you'll have the room you need for family, guests, and everything in between. And the flexibility doesn't stop there. Optional lofts, finished basements, and versatile living spaces give you the freedom to create a home that fits your life, whether it's a playroom, home office, or the ultimate game day setup. Join the interest list today to get the latest community updates, pre-grand opening pricing, and be one of the first to own in this amazing new community. We'll see you soon.